Testing, testing. Can you hear me?
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're recording.
This is good.
Yes! In case you don't know who I am, my name's Dawn and I work here at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson. Are you saying something to me? Okay. I got it. Maybe just for the long trips then, huh? Well, kids. It started off with, here I go speeding down the road. I don't know how to turn it off. Well, before I try turning it off, I will say I will need to get gas once we get to Krogan. Yes, dear. That's the whole reason I go on a ride with my wife, so I don't have to hear her talk. Gotcha. That's nice. Okay, you go to music now. We'll talk when we get to Krogan. And then I can talk to all you guys who happen to be watching. This is part 2 of the helmet communication headset video series. I'll put a link to part 1 right here. Because this is the first nice day that we've had to try it out together. I mean, I've been listening to music all this time, but it is nice if you push the button to talk, the music cuts out and you can listen to the other people that are in your party. Or it automatically cuts their music out and they can listen to you. That's nice. Hi, I just wanted to say hi. Hello. Left turn. Do you need gas?
No, I'm good. I have full tank. Full tank.
Oh. Yes. Would you care to lead?
Hey, you're the one that's filming. I'm not filming anything.
Yeah, but then I could film you in front of me.
Really?
Fine, I'll lead. Got bicyclists coming too. Oh. Didn't see that. That's 70. That's slow down. I'm gonna pass this guy as soon as we are legal to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe now, of course, he's doing the speed limit. many miles you at now? 45,000. You mean like the clutch isn't engaging properly, or? Yeah. Are we going to go left or right at the stop sign? You want to go into Harrisville and get ice cream? Or you want to get ice cream at home? Okay. Left it is. I'm sorry, boo-boos. I said, I'm sorry. So, part 2 of the helmet communication headset video. I think this is a success. This is the 20S headset. I got the dual headset pack, and when they come, they're automatically paired, so which is nice. We didn't have to worry about doing that, just had to pair it to our cell phones. My husband is using the what do you call it? Earplugs? Not earplugs. Headphones. He's using his headphones, over-the-air headphones, with his communication headset, and he's listening to his MP3 player. And I've got the speakers that come with the set. We're both using the microphone that came with it, although there is another microphone if you've got a helmet that you just want to put the speaker right in front and not have to worry about the arm of the speaker that's coming off. At first I thought it would be a problem, but apparently it isn't. It does not need to be exactly how they picture it, because our communication headsets are set back a little bit farther on our helmets. So I thought I would have to rewire the microphones, or use a different microphone that's included, but it turns out that is not the case. I can hear him, he can hear me when we wish to use the intercom system. It's quite nice. Another thing about communication is it is important, I think anyways, to communicate our gratitude. Being able to ride my motorcycle, being able to have a motorcycle on days like today make living absolutely worthwhile. So speaking of gratitude, I guess I'll buzz my husband in and say thank you to him too. My love, I just wanted to say thank you for riding along with me today, and for the communication headsets, for the headsets that allow yeah, well, you help pay for them, that's for sure. Very handy. But even if it doesn't, we can still have fun, right? So I just wanted to say thank you because I've been telling the video watchers, the YouTubers out there, that communication is important, and one thing to communicate is gratitude. And now you are like, what the? All communication should be heard. So if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And until the next time, kiddies, communicate. Or don't. Stay safe and have fun. Love ya. Actually, you should probably get in front of me since you'll be first into the garage, right? On the right hand side, passing me. There you go.